In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record multiple audio tracks in OBS Studio. This is a fantastic skill to have if you want more control over your audio production, allowing you to isolate, edit, and perfect each individual audio source. Whether you're handling intricate sound setups or just want to ensure each voice and background element gets its own channel, these steps will guide you through the process efficiently. Let's start by opening OBS Studio. Once the application is launched, look towards the bottom right corner of the window. You'll see the Settings button there. Click on it to get started. Now, in the Settings menu, navigate to the Output tab found on the left panel. By default, you might see that the output mode is set to Simple. We need to change it to Advanced because this will give us more control over our recording options. Once we've switched to Advanced, it's time to configure our recording settings. You'll want to click on the Recording tab, which is still within the Output section. Here, there's a critical choice to make. Under Recording Format, you'll need to select a format that allows for multiple audio tracks. A solid choice is MKV because it supports this feature seamlessly. Not to worry if you need the file in MP4 later. You can remux it to MP4 without a hitch once your recording is complete. Next, look at the Audio Tracks section. You have the option to select up to 6 different audio tracks. If, for instance, you prefer to work with 3 separate tracks, make sure you check the boxes for tracks 1, 2, and 3. This selection will enable OBS to record audio separately across these tracks. Now that our recording settings are set, it's time to move back to the main OBS window. Find the Audio Mixer panel. This is where we assign each audio source to its respective track. Click the 3-dot menu beside an audio device like your microphone or desktop audio. From the drop-down, select Advanced Audio Properties. In this window, you'll see checkboxes that correspond to each audio track next to every audio source you have set up. Here's where you assign each source to a specific track. For example, assign your microphone to track 1, your desktop audio, which might include your game sounds and music, to track 2, and perhaps your communication apps like Discord to track 3. The goal is to make sure each audio source gets only one track, allowing for that separation you're aiming for. With that done, click OK to exit the Advanced Audio Properties. Head back to your Settings window, hit Apply, then OK to save your changes. You're now ready to start your recording. OBS will now separate the audio tracks internally in your recording file. Once your recording is complete, use a capable video editor like Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, or even Audacity for Audio to edit your multi-track audio files. This approach grants you the flexibility to process each audio source individually, vastly improving the quality of your end production. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching and happy recording.